I wanted to do a quick screen recording to show you how to set up a meeting using Google Meet. It's definitely not Google Hangouts, it's a Google Meet. The difference is which one is HIPAA compliant and which one is not. So Google Meet is HIPAA compliant. So to set it up, first you're going to want to add a meeting to your Google Calendar. So I'm just going to put sample meeting right here. Then you will add your guests via their email. Be sure to set a time. So we'll just say that we're going to meet at 7:45. Then location, you don't need to add. Obviously, it's going to be virtual. But conferencing, this is where you add Google Meets. Description, this is where I'm going to just remind my guests that I created a chat for them, and I will show you how to do that. So I'll say, be sure to look at your email. You'll see a separate invite for our chat. Thanks. Okay, so we're going to save the meeting then, and now I'll show you how to set up a chat. So you're going to go here in your Google Suite and then click chat. And then when it loads, you go ahead and click here. Find people, rooms, and bots. And just give it a second to load. Then once it loads, you can go ahead and create one. So I can just put, let's say, a JK meeting as a test. Oops. So putting initials and then just putting meeting, and then you can add that. Once you create your chat, it'll look like this. And I went ahead and already put in the link for the online signature where your guests can create their own e-signature and then send it to you. So I did that, and that's what I would use the chat for, is just to say, hey, I can't hear you. Can you turn your volume on? Or like, can you make sure your microphone is turned on? Things like that. That's what I would use the chat for. Or I would use it to put links that you want to send people to. So for example, like the e-signature. Okay, so then when you're ready to join your meeting, you just click the meeting invitation, join Hangouts, and then you'll see the meeting come up, and then I'll try and quickly divert from you seeing much of my face right now. Let's see here. Just want to show you one more quick thing about how you would go about presenting and showing your screen. Okay, so camera starting. If you don't want your screen to show camera, you just click that. And you can hide your camera. So if you don't want to show yourself right away, you can turn off the camera. There's some people that like to join the meetings, but they don't want to be seen on video. You can tell them that they can hide their camera if they feel more comfortable. But it's nice to kind of see everyone. It's up to them. But then if you want to present and share your screen, you just hit present. And then you can pick which screen you want. So I have two screens because I have double monitors right now. So I'm going to show this one, and that's where you would broadcast the IEP. It's not going to show what I'm broadcasting on my screen. That's something that I don't really like, but it just doesn't show you that. And then you can stop presenting when you're done. And then you can conclude the meeting by hitting this. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed that quick little tutorial. If you have any questions, just submit a comment at the end of the blog post.